Hello and welcome to a new episode. Oh, so you find me walking my dog. I'll show you. Just a little quick infill on how the channel and the direction's going. Shit, but I'm not one to be deterred with negativity. I am the type of person that keeps going forward from strength to strength. I will not be dictated, but anyway, moving forward. Another thing which I need to mention, I did also say that I'm not going to stop the car hunts. I just needed to get situated first, and we're kind of getting situated. A bit like this field really, all perfect lines going in the right direction, but there's always things cropping up like weeds and things. That's kind of what my channel is right now. So yeah, sit back, enjoy this bit of content, and then we will go from there. So we'll see you all shortly. So it looks like the location's been cleaned up. We'll park up here and see what's been cleaned. Woo, 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 woo. I'm just going to change the battery and I'll be back in 1 second. So, shit. So we're going across the fields because I've just left Ben's place. I'm completely all covered in dust, so now I don't know if there's any cars at this location. On Google Maps it says there's at least 15, so it's getting late, we're losing sunlight, and like you all know, GoPros are crap have a night time. So you've watched the footage from the Isle of Wight. Now we're going to try and find some cars here to see if I can make a decent video. Don't get me wrong folks, I absolutely love the hunt for cars. I have done for years. You know, I've done it for bloody over 4 years. It's just trying to find decent content and decent cars all the time. So right then, let's have a look. Bit crunchy underfoot. It's very noisy underfoot. Classic Jag. Old Merc. That old Jag. No way. Look at that for an old car. That's unreal. That's a nice Merc. Look at all the carpet. I mean, there's carpet for days. Look at that old girl. It's a Viscount. Whatever a Viscount is. Oh my god, they've completely smashed the shit out of it, look, with the van. Unreal. Wow. This classic Rover, 3.5 litre. The classic Peugeot there. Another classic Peugeot. This place is unreal. Look at all the classic cars in the bushes. side of the house. A car pulled up. 2 hours of driving and we get rumbled straight away. What we do, we go around the side of the house because there's cars there too, so. I'm almost certain somebody grassed on us because there's a lot of houses nearby. There's a lot of cars in there. It's so dry too, so everything's crunchy. It's like I'm walking on crunching up cornflakes. Wow. What an absolute find. The worrying thing is now is that car pulled up. A lot of classic GTIs here, an awful lot of classic GTIs, Peugeot GTIs, sorry GTLs, not GTIs. Is that a Colton? No way, it's an old Colton that is. Another Peugeot estate, another Peugeot. Last on the road, no 2002. One old tractor over there, look. Oh no, that's a Senator. It's a Vauxhall Senator, that is. Really old Senator. All the cars spread right over there in the distance. I'm just walking on crispy fried chicken, that's what I'm walking on. The noise is unreal. Every single car is filled to the bloody roof with carpet. They went into their rugs, weren't they? I mean, some of these Mercs look really well kept. Bit of stainless there, look. Wow. Yeah, I've fallen back in love with car hunting again. This is amazing, it really is. I hear people. She's a turbo, 604 GTD turbo. Oh crap. Oh shit. They're outside the house, having a proper chinwag. Beautiful rover, Vitesse there. What's that big black car there? I'm not too sure if they actually saw me. I think I tucked and rolled before they actually saw me. An old Jag. Just kill the lights, I've got a bit of a sneaky peek. I'm not sure if you can hear this. I don't think he even knows that I was ever here. Let's go back looking at some of the cars and see how far we get. It's an old vauxhall. Vauxhall. Deluxe. And then that there's a I don't know. What's that car, folks? It's a beautiful old car. The old man's gone quiet. I mean, every single car's got bloody carpets in. And they're in really good nick, to be fair though. Really good nick. Not the carpets, the cars. So the sun's going down now. I haven't got a clue where I am. My sat nav is my phone's going flat, and I just don't know where I am. I've got like 7% battery and I'm 2 hours away from home. So yeah, it was a pretty good location and I'm happy that I found it. I just hope that I can get the audience back that disappeared. The ones that thought I quit on cars, because I love finding classic cars. You know, I love the hunt. I always have loved the hunt. Just gotta hope and pray that you haven't all given up on me. I haven't given up on you. So we're gonna go back round to the front now and see if we can see a couple more cars. Sun's going down, got a beautiful sunset. Yeah. This is where it gets sketchy. That's a nice car. Don't think you can lock his car. Massive old carpet there, look, brand new carpet. Gazes into his carpets. I mean, the house has got no windows in it. Surely he doesn't live in there. So I heard a big yank on a gate and I decided to make my retreat. Beautiful sunset. Fantastic first car explore in a while. So it's going to be a short one because obviously I've only come to one location. So I do honestly hope you like this one, and there's going to be more car adventures coming very soon, a lot more. So from me, Stokesy, nothing but love and respect. Remember, don't you limit yourself, and keep car hunting. Peace.